Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sunflower bead earrings. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need small yellow and brown seed beads, approximately 2 millimeters each, along with 2 earring hooks and 2 headpins. Make sure you have your essential tools ready: round nose pliers, flat nose pliers, and wire cutters. Having everything organized before you start will make the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on this fun project. Now let's create the sunflower petals. Take a headpin and thread 8 yellow seed beads onto it. Once the beads are on, form them into a loop, then twist the wire securely to hold the shape. Repeat this process to make 6 to 8 petal loops for each earring. The number of petals can vary based on your desired fullness, so feel free to experiment. This step forms the vibrant outer layer of your sunflower. Next, we'll assemble the center of our sunflower. Thread about 10 to 12 brown seed beads onto a new headpin. Carefully form these brown beads into a tight, circular shape to create the sunflower's core. Once the center is secure, begin attaching the yellow petal loops you made earlier around this brown center. Use your pliers to gently secure each petal, ensuring they are evenly spaced for a beautiful, symmetrical look. This brings your sunflower to life. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your beautiful sunflower earrings. Carefully attach your completed sunflower design to an earring hook using your pliers. Make sure all wire ends are neatly tucked in to prevent any snags or discomfort when wearing them. Take a moment to admire your handmade creations. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for crafting with me.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.